Hi there, it's Miss Mason here. Let's practice spelling words today. Look at this picture. It's a picture of a rat. Let's sound out the word rat. Are you ready? What sound do you hear first? Rat. I hear the sound. What letter says Letter R. Great job. Now what sound do you hear in the middle? At. At. I hear the sound. At. What letter says Letter A. Great work. Now what sound do you hear at the end of the word? At. At. I hear the t sound. What letter says t? Letter T. Awesome job. Hat. Let's sound out the word hat. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word hat? What letter says Letter H. Great job. What sound do you hear next? At. At. I hear the sound. Do you hear the sound? Yes. What letter says Letter A. Great work. Now let's find the ending sound. What sound do you hear at the end of the word? At. I hear the t sound. What letter says t? Letter T. Great job. Let's try one more together. Cap. What sound do you hear at the beginning of cap? What sound does cap start with? K, k, k. What letter says k? Letter C. Great job. What sound do you hear in the middle? K, app. K, app. I hear the sound. What letter says Letter A. Now let's find the last sound. What sound do you hear at the end of cap? Cap. I hear the p sound. What sound says p? Letter P. This is the word app. Cap. Great job. Awesome job sounding out words with me today.